In this video, I'm going to show you guys what to do immediately after updating to iOS 26.2.1 to ensure your device is optimized and secure. Apple has released this smaller update to fix bugs and security issues, so it's important to get the device updated and ready. First, make sure your device is actually updated by going to Settings, then General and selecting Software Update. If you haven't updated yet, go ahead and do that. I also recommend enabling automatic install for future updates so that the device will automatically download and install updates in the background without you needing to approve it. Next, Apple has been pushing out background security updates that fix vulnerabilities without adding new features. To ensure these updates are installed, head to Settings, Privacy and Security, and scroll down to Background Security Improvements. Make sure this is enabled so your phone can automatically get these important security patches. Another important step is to check your battery health after updating. Sometimes after a software update, your battery health percentage can drop a few points as the device recalibrates. To check, go to Settings, then Battery, then Battery Health. If your battery is below 80%, it may need replacing, as your phone might not perform as its best without a healthy battery. Next, make sure your apps are updated. For that, launch your App Store. Click on your profile icon, then click on the option Update All. To make this process easier, you can enable automatic downloads for app updates so you don't have to worry about updating them manually. To do this, launch Settings. Now scroll all the way down and navigate to the option Apps, find App Store and launch it. Now toggle on for the option of automatic downloads. Lastly, don't forget to check your carrier update. After installing a major iOS update, it's always a good idea to check if your carrier has released any updates. For that, go to General, go to About. If there is a carrier update, it will show up here and you can install it quickly without rebooting your device, and that's it. These are the key things you should do after updating to iOS 26.2.1. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.